Amasasi ne tiyagasi biri mu kunyooka mu bitundu eby'Epalisa. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine His Excellency bw'abadde ayolekera mu bitundu ebya Kamuli mu bitundu eby'Epalisa. His Excellency the Elected President of Uganda Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine asanze bannamagye, abapoliisi, abawanvu n'abampi nga baayiriddwa okugezaako okumutaayiza n'okumulemesa okutuuka e Palisa. Era ndowooza munnange embeera bw'otyo ogiraba y'embeera bw'etyo gye tulimu. Uganda eringa ey'abantu abamu ab'olubatontu be balina sse ku ggwanga lino kubanga bayiye abawanvu n'abampi, bayiye abantu bangi okulemesa His Excellency the Elected President of Uganda Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine okusitoopinga entambula ze n'okusitoopinga gy'abadde ayina okulaga. Tuli Palisa olunaku olwaleero ziri ennaku z'omwezi 24 era tulindiridde ddala okulaba nga tutambulira ddala bulungi, naye poliisi n'amagye bigezezzaako tutataaganya. Bo bakola buli kimu kyakiremesa, bakola buli kimu kyakumalamu bantu maanyi, ne naffe tukyali bagumu n'omukulembeze waffe kubanga bwe batulemesa tebiri mu mateeka. Amagye ne poliisi ndowooza olaba bisazeeko ekitundu kino, naye Pulezidenti agamba tulina okugenda oba baagala oba tebaagala. Ekifo kye tubadde tugenda mu bitundu eby'Epalisa kyonna kizingiddwako poliisi n'amagye, naye His Excellency Elected President of Uganda Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ategeezezza bulungi nti ajja kutuuka e Palisa oba baagala oba tebaagala oba kiki ffe tujja tutuuka e Palisa. Olunaku lwa leero ennaku z'omwezi ziri 24. President elect Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine bw'atyo bw'agenda okuba nga alabika mu bitundu eby'Epalisa. Bwe waba otuyagasi mungi ndowooza embeera muganda wange nawe osobola okutunula n'ogyerabirako. Yeyo embeera gye tulimu, byebyo abasajja bano embeera gye baagala otuyisa.
Bazze kutukuba nze ndakasibera mu kibooko. Yes, omulungi aliko ow'Omukisa TV embeera bweti bweri wano mu katoogo akasezibwa. Yes, embeera bweti bweri gwe aliko ow'Omukisa TV. Poliisi esazeeko wano wennyini abajjukira okwekalakaasa okwaliwo olwo baagaana Kabaka ogende Bugerere wetuli. Poliisi esazeeko ku bridge. Ffe tusigadde eno poliisi eri. So embeera bweti bweri wano eno. Nkwegayiridde oba ng'olaba vidiyo eno nga tonaba kusharinga, we are under attack. Tusaliddwako mu njogera ennyangu. So nkwegayiridde bambi sharinga live.
From the IGP. She actually first asked me, where are you going? I told her we are going to Paris because we have a mobilization event there. So then she asked me, this Madame Sikahwa, for clearance from the IGP. I told her what kind of clearance. Then I educated her about the law, because the law says when we as a registered political party have an event like the one we have in Paris, we write to the IGP, and we wrote to the IGP notifying whoever is occupying that office about our events. We attached a schedule of all the places we're going to be at, all the permissions granted by the venue owners and so on. And we didn't get any formal response, because the law says once you have notified them, then you provide security. She then mentioned the DPC, Madame Sikahwa. She told me where we are going, security is not guaranteed, there might even be a stampede. I said, but that's why you people are there to provide security for us and whoever we are going to meet. That's why we notify the IGP. So if it's a concern, because our major concern seems to be security, that security is not guaranteed. I said, that's why you're there, to provide security for us and the people we are going to meet the other side. So what is the problem? No problem. Also, we can proceed.
But now, the issue is, I'll not talk much. What's for your legislator? You know, Article 211 and Article 212 of the Constitution of Uganda.
Yes.
So we are here legally, and we are here to protect all Ugandans, including you.
Yeah.
You get me? You said you requested for permission from the
We didn't request.
You did.
Don't misuse that.
Okay, you asked for permission.
No, we didn't ask.
We notified.
You notified.
them.
So you
That's what
notified.
the law says. Yes,
So
yes.
if you notified, did you get a feedback from IGP?
The law doesn't say we have to get feedback.
Oh.
When you read section 4,
So when you read
and 5
section,
of the
when you
Public Order
read the
Management
section 211, what does it tell us?
Act, it says you regulate.
You regulate.
So we are
What does regulate
custodians of law and order.
Mhm.
If the DPC has told you that there is intelligence coming up, that you guys are going to cause havoc,
We're going to cause havoc. What
that
havoc?
you guys, you have other intentions which are not known to us.
Which one?
Therefore,
Because
listen,
we told you our
are asking,
intentions.
I'm telling you what I'm supposed to tell you because you have asked me.
Mm.
Therefore, we stand here to say, please, if you don't honor, say that we can't get back to the IGP, you just notify us, then now, better go back and say, the police in Seziwa blocked us. Can you give us reasons for that? That's enough. But for the meantime, we will not proceed.
But officer, for me the issue is really how you are not obstructing others.
Patira.
They pass here every day.
But what gives me here, what is wrong is law and
Era kyekiddako.
Eina apartments 8. Print, radio, TV. Aduh. Wagala kubba mundu z'abandi.
Embeera bwetyo bweri baganda bange, mikwano gyange.